I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, but before I leave my house, I always stare at both my cars and just admire everything. And for sure, this car is proof that you'll need to make a lot of money to build a car that you love. And for this car, I love this car so much. My best friend bought it for me as a gift, guys. Like, come on. That's like the best gift in the world. And when you guys compare these two cars together, do you guys see the difference? No? I'll give you guys 2 more seconds. 1, 2. This fucking gap right here. This needs to fucking go. Should I just order coils? You know what, guys? Fuck it. Let's order coils right now. We're gonna help the boys at Vex and order some BC coilovers. Let's go. Just made it to Vex. I'm pulling the plug, bro.
Huh?
I'm pulling the plug.
The butt plug?
No. I'm gonna order coils right now.
Yeah.
I can't handle the height. Man, it's too high.
No, it's not. It's functional.
My car?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. If you were able to get up my driveway, you're fine, right? So it's functional.
Yeah, my Honda got to get it fine too.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
It takes you hella long.
Stock struts are like blown, so when it hits stuff in the front, it's like, it feels hella nasty.
Dude, the IS300s have that thing though. Like, it just sounds like it's coming from the middle.
It's like kind of on the right. On the left, left, left. Bring me up.
What?
Bring me up.
For what?
Coils.
Cool. Let's get it. Some race lines?
Fuck. BCs, please. I need to decide how stiff I want to go. I was to go 26K, but Jesse said I could go up to 30.
I didn't say go 30.
No, he said you could go. I could go up to 30, right?
Go up to, yeah, if you want.
But imagine I go to 30. 30K sounds like a big jump from 14K. But 30K sounds really good.
All around?
Yeah, fuck it.
Fuck it.
Shit. Alright, I should go 26 or around 26 just to be safe. I'm just trying to go bag fitment, but not bagged. I don't know, I feel like if I don't order coils now, I'm probably gonna spend on stupid shit because I'm not good at saving money. And I'm pretty sure that guy would have gone to like the bar or eating or something.
Hennessy?
Yeah, or Hennessy.
Alright, bro, it's ready.
Is ready?
Yeah.
Alright, deal?
Sweet. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Cool. Good luck.
Alright, see you next time, bro.
Alright, see you.
Fuck! I can't wait that long. I want my car to be slammed right now. You know what? Fuck it. I have an idea. I'm gonna get all the materials right now. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. Hi there, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
I did it.
What?
I purchased coils.
Oh, that's why you had all the cash.
Yeah.
Did you get VCs?
Yeah. Guess the spring rate I got.
20.
26K.
Damn, bruh.
I didn't know BC offer up to 30.
You don't even need that high unless you're gonna go like crazy fitment.
I'm going back fitment, bro. Just wait until I'm done with the car. Just wait until I'm done with the car. So last night we ended up going to Kevin Nguyen's house, and I decided not to record anything because I don't know. Everyone was just having fun, drinking beers, chilling, and eating. So I decided to just continue the vlog today. So right now I'm on the way to the warehouse so we can finally continue our video. Are your house yesterday?
Yeah.
This is for you, bro.
That's exactly what this is. Notice a parking violation.
I got take out your fucking house, bitch.
Hey, not my house.
I didn't even park illegally either. So today we're gonna use this grinder and all these discs. And once you guys find out what's in this box, you guys are gonna know exactly what I'm doing. Alright, you guys ready for this? That's right, spring compressors. Yes guys, I am going to cut my stock springs. I'm doing it for fun. Don't get mad at me. Don't make fun of me. And remember guys, I just ordered coils, so I'm never gonna use these ever again. So I decided, why not cut them and see how they look and see how they ride after. Alright guys, let's finally get this car on jack stands and start in the fronts. God damn. These tires are balding. So it looks like the strut is held in by the 3 strut tower bolts, a 10mm for the brake lines, and I believe a 17 or a 19 for the bottom mount. So I totally forgot my tripod at home. What I'm gonna do is actually take off the strut bolts up here. I already loosened the bottom mount and the brake line. Oh! Alright! Alright guys, so both sides are off. And I did notice that the driver's side is actually blown. And I knew the driver's side was blown beforehand because every time I hit something on the driver's side, it would sound nasty, it would feel uncomfortable. And it's just, I don't know, it was super jank. I might as well just make it more jank and just lower it some more because fuck it, why not?
What are you doing?
Cutting my strings.
Oh my god, I gotta go.
Hey guys, your cheap ass is cutting the springs.
Let me guess. Your cheap ass can buy the real Sandstorm wherever that brand is, so you bought it from the dollar store.
I got the great value. These aren't stock.
Yeah, the struts don't look soft, right?
The springs don't look stock either.
Yeah.
This is TN's right here, bro.
Yeah, right?
Right here, look.
You're cutting lowering springs.
Oh, so I could go even lower. Even lower. Isaac's the professional at cutting springs over here.
I obviously am. So my sister had a 97
I
Camry
stopped there. I was kidding. I was kidding.
in high school, and I cut the springs and drove that shit to school. It looked pretty cool.
Look cool, right?
Fucking bouncy as shit.
Oh yeah.
Cut them in half.
No. I think that's too scary.
Fuck it.
No, fuck it. How about these wheels get smashed into the fucking thing?
Content.
It's not content. It's
What do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see it like slam to the ground, or you want to see a little?
Well, guess what? The answer doesn't matter, but because by the time you know the answer, this thing's already done. Alright guys, we're basically done with the fronts finally. I've been at this for like 2 hours and a half. For the sake of it, we still need to do the rears. So I don't know how long it's gonna take, but it's probably gonna take all day.
So we got Thomas over there lowering his car. But KT is raising his car. What?
Alright, let's see it. Drop it right now.
See it.
Sick! Thick ass fitment! What? Hey, next what? Hey! Hold up, bro!
Hey, we're fucking around. Alright, let's see it. Let's see it.
No different!
Oh, okay.
It looks nice.
Look at the back.
Oh, it's not that bad. Look.
I don't think my right side's a little lower. No, it's not. It's the tire pressure. This side's hella lower.
Hey, you gotta go back and start cutting.
No, because it's basically the same.
Tommy's about to pull up to the next meet like this.
Fincher, you want pussy? Damn. Vince is nice enough to help me out because I'm super tired.
I'm fucking tired already. It's hot.
Yeah, it is hot.
Oh, I was slipped on that one.
Hey, imagine Bruce's crotch is on fire. Catch is on fire.
It's not even safe at all.
Good. I should have just not done this because this shit took forever.
A lot of work.
It's a lot of work. I kind of regret it, but I'm just doing it for fun for you guys, and I'm kind of curious how they ride anyways. But yeah, just don't do it. Don't ever do it. Yeah, but watch, when I hit a bump, my spring's already gonna pop out of place again.
Savage. Yeah, look. Hydraulics. It's cool. It's better now.
Yeah, but if I hit a bump, the fucking spring is not gonna sit right. It's gonna walk.
It looks good, but
Yeah, for sure, guys. Do not cut your springs. I'm doing this just to show you guys that it's not really a good idea. and that I'm kind of stupid too, and I'm doing it for fun for you guys. But if you guys want to lower your car in a cheap way, please just buy lowering springs. They only cost around 150 to 170. The spring doesn't sit right, so once it hit a bump, it's gonna get out of place again, and I don't know, kind of sketch. No, it's not coils. I just cut my springs a little bit.
So what are you trying to tell me?
And I lowered it a little bit.
Would be different because I don't know.
Yeah.
It does lower.
Hey, don't go too hard, yeah? Because the back spring might pop out. I'm not even kidding. It won't fall off, but it's gonna get unaligned.
It won't pop off, bro. Thank you for letting me drive the infamous car. Dude, fun fact. My first car actually did cut springs. It was a 98 Integra. And then, I don't know if you guys remember, but the adjustable coilover sleeves, oh my god, that's so old and they're not good.
Yeah, they're not good. I mean, they might be okay if you buy aftermarket shocks. But,
yeah.
But the point is, people do it because they don't have money.
Yeah.
And I was saying that I never got a chance to actually feel how shitty it is. So I just did it because I'm never gonna put on these stock suspension ever again.
Exactly.
Anyways.
So it's chill. I want to feel the bounciness. I want to feel what it is. I want to remember how I feel.
Don't hit that crease shot on purpose, because
yeah.
for sure my springs are parking it out, misaligned. But so far it's not that bad. Oh shit! It's pretty heavy, man.
It's pretty comfortable.
It's not that bad, huh?
Yeah.
Because I think it's because first of all, it's not stock springs, it's TN springs. So whoever owned this car before or whatever, they had TN springs on it already. Now watch, you guys ready for this first bounce? Oh shit.
I mean, it's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
It's actually not that bad.
In all honesty, I do really love the IS. I didn't do this because I don't like the car. I did it for fun. My clothes are coming in anyways.
I've never seen anybody do that shit in person, to be honest.
Yeah, me either.
I always hear stories about it, but never seen anybody actually cut their springs.
Yeah, that's my first time I've ever done it. Back then, people who owned Integras or Hondas, they all cut the springs. But I had the privilege to actually buy coils, or lowering springs. If you guys want to do something similar but on the safer route, make sure you buy lowering springs. They're only like 150 to 200 for actual lowering springs, which drop like maybe down to 2 inches, I think. But make sure you guys don't use stock struts, because if you guys use the stock struts, they will blow out and it's gonna be all messy, and the right quality is just gonna be shit. So make sure if you guys want to buy lowering springs, buy aftermarket shocks or just buy coils. Just if the buy coils is a lot more worth it, and you don't have to worry about me. Like, I don't know if I can make it home tonight. Like always, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.